Hi! Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing something that I've never done before, driving alongside a moving train. There's street running here, and I guess you're allowed to do this, so, let's do it. Can we drive? Oh, this is weird. Would you like to see a little more street running? Here's the same day, different location. Oh, and sorry, a young boy walks in front of the camera. You'll see it. Now I know that video seemed a little short. There was a really good reason why I had to cut it off when I did. But so that you don't feel ripped off, I'll give you one more street running video. This one's not in the same location, not on the same day, but I hope you like it anyway. Thanks for watching.